Hey folks, I'm continuing to test and share with you my favorite scalping strategies for 5-second trades. Today, I'll show you a super simple trend following strategy and we will use just one indicator today, ZigZag. Remember, I post all my strategies, live sessions and much more on my Telegram channel. Just follow this. The weather's perfect today, not too hot, not too windy, so I will filming this session straight on my terrace. Let's dive in. Just be sure to watch this video until the end. I've got a promo code waiting for you there with a massive 60% deposit bonus. So today we're using a brilliant strategy, super simple, super effective. I'm starting with 500 just to warm up. The goal is to make solid profit. Since I'm traveling, I need a strategy like this, simple and effective and steady cash flow. So let's jump to the settings. Deviation is 10, depth is 20, but let me think. That is how many candles this indicator will analyze. And I think it's better to add 10. So it will be 10, 10, and 3. And of course, we will choose the high payout pairs. Let's open first trade. As you can see, here's everything very simple. This indicator already showing for us the line of trend. And we just follow the trend and trade. But the trick is that I usually enter trades between the short and silent candle. So right in the middle of the trend. And we trade strictly with the trend. Okay, another profit. As you can see, we're going good. Another trade. And it's another profit. Brilliant strategy, brilliant. Here. Yeah, it's a bit crazy. Too strong downward trend. Here we also didn't touch. Yeah, we didn't touch. Let's open buy position here. Okay, it's not a problem. Martingale, multiplicator. And it's a solid profit. Again, well, yeah, just for you to understand, I need candles that are close to or touching the indicator line. Like we didn't touch the other candles. We're waiting for candles which close to the trend line, drawn by indicator. Okay, it's another loss, but we will just follow a strategy and find a solid entry point like this one, for example. For me, it's good. And it's a solid profit, guys. And let's open another trade here. Because we see that trend is strong. I will open another trade and more. 9,000. Yes, guys, as you can see, I risk a bit more than usual in the end. So friends, as you can see, even with a single simple indicator, you can trade confidently and profitably by following the trend and staying disciplined. If you like the strategy, leave the comments what indicator you want me to test next. Also, the most important, don't forget to follow my Telegram channel. It's much more information there. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you stay sharp, profitable and healthy. Enjoy your day and see you in the next one. Peace. I've got a promo code for you, Dawit. Use it on pocket option and get a massive 60% bonus on your deposit. Just don't forget, you must register using my link in the description.